deep discussion for the equipment. You interested? Okay, now we start. Yeah, remember to follow us. And this is Lanphan. We do extraction equipment for a long time, and so that we have a rich experience and good reputation in the world.
And today is Black Friday. We
Yeah.
have a big discount and have a very big promotion. You can see we offer 25% discount for our machines. Each of the machine has a 25% discount.
Yes.
If you can do the payment today, we support the PayPal payment.
PayPal payment.
Yes, you can do the dispose. The shipping cost we can check with you later.
Yeah.
Behind us, it is our centrifuge.
Yes.
Centrifuge. It is used for extraction. If you want to know more details about our extraction system, you can also new us your email or new us your contact number so that we can send you more operating videos, more testing videos, and specifications for them.
Yes, leave your email address so that we can have further discussion on the equipment. We send you the catalog, send you price list, or other more information on the equipment.
Yes.
We can also keep in touch with each other. In the future, maybe you need an equipment, you will know us, and you can remember us, you can find us, so that you can send us the inquiry.
Yes, but just remember the discount is only available in today,
Yes.
in the Black Friday.
Black Friday special price for this special day, only for today.
Yes, if you miss it today, you will not get such a good price tomorrow.
Yeah, the price is so good. I think it's the best of the year, so do not miss this chance. And buy it today, we ship tomorrow.
Yes.